different from the frame of reference of the castle. And even among the castles, there is very differentness and differentiation that happens even within the frame of reference. But we consider it's not so simple as, in that particular line, especially in the domain of Indigenous. So one of the things that we consider very critical in the production of a knowledge system in terms of a framework or a frame of reference, especially the domain of education, that will help all of us, help people to move from a scale of ignorance to fundamental in the knowledge process or in any knowledge enterprise, whether you call it sociology, anthropology, economics, political science, all of the natural science. The reason this justification is needed because knowledge is the only thing that needs justification. Beliefs and opinions doesn't demand justification.
Dr. Bodhi Sainrupar Rani, who is an associate.
Strong connections between indigenous identity and land as these challenges. As we stand here today, we are reminded of the need for
Srimati Hema Nayak, Deputy Commissioner, Southwest Garovlis District, Government of Meghalaya. Center for Social Justice and Governance, School of Social.
Such a symposium, which is so relevant in today's world. I think indigenous knowledge by itself is something that all elders, still remaining students, need to know about the challenges faced by the indigenous knowledge. I think just by sitting at a symposium,
Europe continue to fight for land rights and cultural preservation, and the Maasai of Kenya and Tanzania remain.
Right, ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
As you must know. So this was almost October or November, and we were going through the villages, and I saw this brown grass, and I told my colleague that it was the feeling that something invoked within a human being, or it is the experience itself. We don't know. Melancholy, we use this word. We need to ask when we are trying to collaborate with each other. And the third point is the appropriation, be it cultural, linguistic, or any different types of appropriation. You must have seen now, there are so many books